everyone. Today Maths third chapter. Third chapter numbers up to 1000. Okay. Okay, all of you know numbers up to 1000. Okay, see in numbers up to 1000. Exercise 3.1. In exercise 3.1. Here in exercise 3.1 we learning numbers from 100 to 101 to 200 numbers. See all of you. Okay, all of you know now numbers up to 1000. See 101 to 200. See 101. 102, 103, 101, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Okay, 111, 112, 113, 114. 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay, up to 100 all of you know na. Here I am telling 101 to 200. 121, 122, 123, 124. 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, okay, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Okay, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. Okay. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Okay, numbers from 101 to 200. Okay, next Okay. Next, first Roman. Complete the following table. First Roman Simma. Complete the following table. Okay, complete the following table. See here. First one. Here table given. Number hundreds, tens, ones, expand form, place value, abacus. Okay, see first one. This is the table. Complete the following table. This is the table here given. First one. Number 123. 123. Here number gave. We want to write this number. Okay, in hundreds place which number, tens place which number, ones place which number, and we want to expand this number, expanded form and place values and abacus. Here see number gave 123. Okay, number gave 123. Here we want to write first ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, for ones, tens, first we want going from right side to left side. Ones, place values we want to write ones, tens, hundreds. Here see hundreds box. Hundreds box which number what is there? 1. Here we want to write 1. Next tens place. Tens place which number are there? 2. Here we want to write 2. Next ones place which number is there? 3. We want to write 3. Okay. Hundreds place which number is there? We want to write here that number. Tens place number, ones place number. And this number we want to expand. Expand form. Already last time we learned expanded form in first chapter. See. First one, 1. 1 is in hundreds place. 1 into 100, 100. Plus 2 is in tens place. 2 tens, 20. Plus 3 is in ones place. 3 ones, 3. This is expand form. We expand 123. Here expand for 100 plus 20 plus 3. This is the expanded form. Next place values. We want to write place value for this number. Okay, 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. Place value 1 hundreds. 1 hundreds. Plus 2 is in which place? Tens place. 2 tens. 2 tens. Plus 3 ones. 3 ones. This is the place values for the given number. Next, abacus. We want to draw beads. Abacus. Hundreds, tens, ones. This is called abacus. See here, in ones place which number is there? 3. Ones place which number are there? 3. In ones place we want to draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3 beads. Okay. Tens place which number are there? 2. We want to draw 2 beads. Okay. In hundreds place which number are there? 1. We want to draw 1 bead. Okay, this is abacus. 1, 2, 3. Abacus. Okay, 123. Number 123. That is the number name for this number. 123. Okay, this is the table. Complete the following. First Roman gave complete the following table. In that table they gave options: number, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, expanded form, place value, abacus. Here first we take one number 123. That number first we write what is the place values. Here we write place values: ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. After we hundreds place, which number are there, that can we write here. After tens place, after ones place, after expanded form, we do expanded form. After place values 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. After we draw abacus. This is abacus. Okay, we will draw beads. Here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In ones place, which number is there, we draw that much of beads. In tens place, ones place. Okay, after we write number name. 123 is the number name for the given number. Okay, this is the first Roman table. Complete the given table. Next, Roman. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes. Okay, first one. Write 5 numbers. Starting from 123. Starting from 123. Like that they gave. Okay. Fill in the boxes. Here up question gave, write 5 numbers starting from 123. 120 దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి 5 numbers రాయాలమ్మా. See, 123. After 124. After 125. After 126. After 127. Okay. Next. Second one. Write 5 numbers starting from 145. Write 5 numbers starting from 145. Okay, here. Starting from 145. 145 ని స్టార్ట్ చేసి 5 numbers రాయాలి. చూడండి. 145. After 146. After 147. After 148. After 149. Okay, like that. Next. Second Roman. After next Roman. Next Roman. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Okay, write in expanded form. Expanded form. All of you know expanded form. One number giving that we want to write in expanded form. First one. 135. 135. This number we want to write in expanded form. Here see, first we want to write place values. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, in hundreds place which number are there? 1. 100 plus tens place which number are there? 3. 3 tens are 30 plus ones place which number are there? 5. 5. 5 ones 5. This one again we want to expand this number. How many hundreds are there? 100 plus how many tens are there? 3 tens. Here we want to write 3 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. How many ones are there? 5 ones. Here we want to write 5 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is under expanded form. First we expanded like this. After, how many hundreds are there? 100 plus how many tens are there? 3 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. What is the here we want to write 100 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. Three tens plus 5 ones. This is the expanded form. Another number 167. 167. Here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, first how many hundreds are there? 100 plus 6 tens are 60 plus 7. Here we again expand 100 plus 10 plus 10. How many tens we want to write? 6 tens. Plus 7 ones. Here number name we want to write this 100 plus 6 tens plus 7 ones. 7 ones. Okay, this is the expanded form. Okay, next one. First we number gave, we write the number to expanded form. Now we want to write the number. Here expanded form giving, we want to write the number. Hundred plus you see, like that they gave the expanded form. This one we convert to number. First, how many hundreds gave? 100. Here we want to write 100. How many tens they gave? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens means 50. Plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Plus 6 ones. This 100 plus 50 plus 6. What is the number? 156. 156. Like that. First we gave the number. We expanded that number. After they gave expanded form, that we convert to number. Next one, exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. In that exercise, we learning from 201 to 300 numbers. All of you know 201 to 300 numbers. Okay. 201 to 300 numbers. See, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. Okay, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Okay, after 200 and like that, 251 to 300 numbers. That is your homework. Okay, numbers, write numbers from 251 to, okay, all of you write numbers from 251 to 300.